CQ Fluency understands that food is at the heart of any cultural identity and vital to our health. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to translating foods and recipes, as it requires a deep understanding of both the source and target culture. Our approach includes adapting names of food or recipes to be informative and appealing, leveraging local terminology such as aubergine versus eggplant, describing food names or brands that may not have a local equivalent, substituting exotic ingredients that may not be available locally. This can include finding creative alternatives similar in taste and consistency, identifying appropriate measurements such as metric versus imperial, using cookware or tool terminology that is understandable to the target market, partnering with you to develop customized food terminology glossaries for accuracy and consistency, ensuring local regulatory compliance with accurate translations for labels, nutrition facts, and ingredients. Overall, our production managers and linguists understand their role in removing the language barriers that can ultimately improve health outcomes. Our linguists are deeply immersed in both your source and target languages, which will not only ensure proper words, grammar, and syntax, but also make the context of food and recipes culturally relevant.